Hi, viewers who obey their creator and always do good deeds. Thank you for opening the video containing our artwork. If you like it, please subscribe and give constructive criticism or suggestions so that we can show the best for you. Enjoy the results of our artwork. These are various moments when someone gets soaked by the rain and is cleaning his yard from the remains of the flood. Wise message for you. Let life flow naturally according to reality, because fighting a life that does not match your desires will only bring sadness.